How's it going, everyone? It's David here, and today I'm going to be building another Coaster Dynamix Nanocoaster, and this is going to be a really special one, for I will be building the Hersheypark Wildcat, and as of this video is posting, it is actually the closing date for the Wildcat. So I'm very excited to build this. I'm very proud to have this in my collection. I really enjoy the look of a wooden coaster on these nano coasters, and I love the curvatures and everything with a GCI twister, so I think this one is going to look really nice. As you can see here on the box, it's actually an old photo of it. It has the original PTC trains on it. It no longer operates with that. It has the GCI Millennium Flyers on it. And I feel like I'm in the minority where I actually enjoyed Wildcat. I didn't think it was too bad of a ride at all. And I am a little sad that it is going away. Although I am always optimistic for the future. But let's get right into this and let's start building this Wildcat Nano Coaster, shall we? here we are, a finished Wildcat Nanocoaster. I'll tell you what, I'm actually pretty impressed with this one, actually. It uses the entire course layout. Oftentimes for nano coasters, especially the wooden ones, parts of the ride that go into the structure are often split up, but this is one continuous loop with all of the pieces. And all the core elements from the layout are there. The only difference is that they don't have the little bunny hills before the lift hill. It's just straight track, but it is tucked away in between two other pieces of track. And when you display it, you're not even going to notice it. So it's really not a big deal at all. I do really love the look of a GCI wooden coaster, both in real life and here in the nano coasters. Very compact, a lot of curvatures. With this particular one, it's very compact, very easy to display. I think this is a great souvenir to have if you are a fan of Wildcat or Hersheypark, especially now that this is gone. This is going to be a good way to remember it. So I got this Wildcat Nano Coaster from the Hersheypark store for $30, although at this moment I'm still not sure if they are selling these. They might be sold out by this point, I'm not entirely sure. But I think it's definitely a reasonable price. I think this is a very cool piece of Wildcat memorabilia to have, and I'm very glad I built this. Anyways guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it and subscribe for more content. And with that being said, thank you all for riding, and I'll see you next time.